Friends, I have seen that lots of small and medium enterprises do not grow because they do not plan their next year budget properly. And as a result, they are not able to see the problems which they might face or the resources which they will need to achieve the targeted sales number. Due to this, the business suffers very badly. It is not that they don't want to plan their next financial year properly, but the reality is that most of SME business owners don't have the proper knowledge for planning the next financial year and planning the budget. Friends, my name is Rakesh Sharma and I am the performance psychology expert. During last 11 years, I have been supporting the thousands of small businesses and the corporate professionals to grow their revenues and maximize their profits by applying my sales psychology weapons. If you really want to learn about the financial planning for the next year, then you should actually watch this video till end. And also I promise to give a beautiful gift to the first 50 viewers who are going to comment on the video. Budget planning is the opportunity to get out of the day-to-day craziness and sit for some time comfortably and think it through for the entire year. Budget planning is a process which gives you the complete roadmap to take control of your organization going forward, and it helps you to achieve your results as you planned for. So here I am giving you very simple 6 steps which will help you in properly planning the next financial year's budget for your organization. The number 1, analyze the trends of the past 3 years for your business. You need to analyze that how you have been growing your revenue, what has been the growth of the profit, and how the customer base has been growing. Also look into the growth of production and other related areas so that you will be able to understand that what should be your plan for the next year. Number 2, create an smart Excel format and give it to your field sales team and ask their input on that so that they will be able to give you the reality which is actually happening on the ground. You must tell them very clearly that they should provide you the input based on the past performance. Number 2, the current market forces and the market realities, and also what are the possible opportunities in near future. Number 3, consolidate the inputs which you have taken from your field team and then modify it as per your wisdom, including the past trends, the opportunities at the marketplace, and also what are the current market forces, as well as include the management ambition and your own ambition into these numbers. Number 4, create a detailed strategy, action planning for achievement of these numbers. Make sure that you fix up the timelines as well as the responsibility. You have to ensure to take into the consideration the new markets which you are going to open, the new product which you are going to launch, and other things like that. Number 5, think through the resources which you will need to implement this action plan and what will you need to achieve the targeted numbers. So you must ensure that you have taken the cognizance of the resources required in terms of the finances and also the manpower. Number 6, in the end, you need to ensure that the entire sales team should be able to visualize that yes, they will be able to achieve the targeted numbers. You have to give them enough confidence that these numbers are achievable, and you have to create the various programs accordingly. So for your benefit, let me once again summarize all these 6 points. Number 1, analyze your past 3 years business trends. Number 2, create the smart Excel format and share with your field sales team to provide you their inputs. Number 3, consolidate the input taken from the field sales team. 4, create a detailed strategy and action plan for the achievement of the targeted numbers. Number 5, think through all the resources required for achieving the desired numbers. Number 6, give them the visibility and the confidence that they will be able to achieve it. Friends, before I sign off, let me give you an implementation assignment to you. You have to ensure that you follow all these 6 steps and then create the next year financial plan for your business. And as I promised you in the beginning, here is your gift which you have been waiting for. You immediately go to the comment section of this video and download the entire PDF of this video. You go through that PDF document and you will find that you get the complete clarity how to plan your next year budget, and after that you will be able to create a great plan even for your business. And in the end, I would like to request you, if you like this video, then please like it right now, and also subscribe to our channel and share with at least 5 friends of your network. Remember, if you want to get rich, make sure that you help others to get rich.